Hey you guys, hi pretties, and welcome to this episode of Cooking with Jasmine. If you guys didn't know, I do Cooking with Jasmine episodes. Well, I used to on my Instagram stories, but you know, then I just stopped because I was vegan at the time and now I'm not vegan. So I'm just trying to change my life. And so anyway, we're just gonna cook some Karrueche tacos as best as I can. I don't feel like watching the video over, so we're just gonna do it our own way. You know what I'm saying? So it is what it is.
The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it.
To avoid it from burning, you gotta add some oil. I'm using olive oil. Yes, very bougie like. We love to see it. And then we're just gonna swoop it onto the pan. You know what I'm saying? Yes. Delicioso. Yum, 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 yum. If you didn't know, I love tacos. Now, if you didn't know, I love Mexican food, so yeah.
We just came to dance and go all night long. The look.
We're gonna take our shrimp that we got from Winco. You know, we're just gonna woo, baby. Ooh, that's disgusting. But why are you doing all of that? You ain't gotta be spilling like that, my friend. Oh, I forgot to season it. Help me, Jesus. So we're gonna use the Zatarans because they didn't have the Old Bay, so we're just gonna do what it do. What the hell is this? Oh, I don't know about it. Oh, we gotta try it first because this look funny. This don't look like no Old Bay nothing. Ooh, it's spicy. Woo! Put that in there. Just a little bit. Oh! Dang! Woo! I don't know about it.
Night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. You can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it.
Like, what is this? Like, what is this supposed to be? It's so spicy. It is too spicy. What is this? Why is it? It don't even give you like a heat warning or nothing. Like, what? Why would you do that? Like, you're just evil.
And makeup on fleek, high heels, ripped jeans, they're all waiting. I'm on my way, yeah. Looking in the mirror at my.
Alright, so to check if the oil is ready, you gotta. It's not ready yet, so we're gonna keep waiting.
In the party, yeah, yeah. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it.
So we gonna put some like cilantro on here too, just a little bit, you know, to give it a little bit more flavor. You know what I'm saying? You know, not the stem. We're gonna do it like that. Yeah. Excuse you.
Body like my name is the life. Tension so thick you could cut with a knife. Ask me how I do that. Been fly since way back. Ask me how I do that. Yeah, 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 yeah. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night.
Alright, we're gonna try it. We're gonna try the one with the this thing's so ooh, oh my god, it's falling apart. Girl, this is not it. Put another one under there. Ooh. Let's go. delicious. But yeah, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I make a post. Bye.
If you catching a vibe, we ain't gonna stop for nothing. Yeah, you can bring your friends, we won't mind